These are some AC units at a commercial property, and to be honest with you, I am not even sure they are air conditioners or heat pumps. I have never seen anything like this before. Cannot find a brand name on them. I saw them from a distance a while ago and I thought they were like old Carriers or Trains or something, but as you can see, no fan grill. Like there's no place for the fan to discharge the air. I do not know if they are air conditioners or heat pumps or refrigeration components or computer cooling support thingies. But since they are installed alongside other air conditioners, I think they might be air conditioners. There's a Carrier heat pump right here. There's a Goodman around the corner here. More Carriers. One of them's running. Yeah, these are all... Actually, that one's a straight cool unit. And I can't tell what this one is, but whatever it is, it's running in cool mode. More over here. There's another one of those weird looking units. And this is a Coleman Evcon. Kind of like the ones I saw back in Key West last spring. Or it just says Evcon. Don't know if it's a Coleman or not. I don't know what the hell these things are. I have never seen anything like this. I have seen air conditioners and heat pumps that have the cooling fan installed in a really weird location, but I've never seen anything like this before. And I cannot for the life of me find a brand name. Unless... Oh, you know what? I think this is a Lennox. It's got a filter dryer. Yeah, that looks like a Lennox data sheet. Yeah, I think this might be a Lennox. Have no idea if it's a heat pump or a straight cool unit, but it's pretty sure it's a Lennox. And we got some trains. Pretty sure this one's an XB10 from 2003. That's a heat pump. This one's probably also a heat pump from 2004. Also an XB10. This is a... Jesus, that's a 5-ton? Is that a 5-ton? Yeah, that would appear to be a 5-ton. And also a 5-ton. Big Climate-Tough compressor down there. Damn good compressor. Badass units right here. Yeah, I think that is a Lennox. Don't hold me to that, but I am pretty sure this is a Lennox. Oh, there's the fan, right there. I found the fan. So I think these are split central air conditioners. Don't know how well you can see that, but the fan discharges out the back here. Manufacturers came out with the most unique designs back in the day, I tell you. The York Tombstones, Lennox had a bunch of weird units. I'm pretty sure this one's a... think that's a 3-ton carrier. Pretty sure the Goodman's a heat pump. Yeah, I think those are Lennoxes. Never seen anything like them before. Wish I could see the damn data sheet. I have no idea what the hell those are, what the hell they say. But yeah, I'm pretty sure these are Lennox. And the fan discharges out the back. Is that a reversing valve? Oh yeah, this is a heat pump. I can see the reversing valve right there. This is a heat pump. I presume the rest of them are heat pumps. Let's go take one more look at that other one. Yeah, that's a heat pump. I can see the reversing valve. Don't know how many nominal tons or when the hell it was built because it's so faded. But yeah, these appear to be Lennox heat pumps. I'd say 70s or 80s. Because I have a video of an 87 Lennox heat pump at a restaurant that looks kind of like these, but it doesn't have that unique top. Yeah, that's a heat pump too. There's the reversing valve. Alright. And there's the run capacitor right there. Alright. This will be a unique addition to my air conditioner video collection. Sucks I couldn't get a video of them running. But who knows, maybe I will stop by someday and catch them running. Now I am going to head to the grocery store, pick up some string cheese and other stuff to eat, and I am going to do my homework and watch True TV and upload these videos. And it can't be more than 60 degrees right now. Actually, you know what? There's always a guaranteed way to see if something's a heat pump or an air conditioner. Or what mode it's running in, for that matter. Yeah, it's running in cool mode. Whatever it is definitely running in cool mode. Condensate drain. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.